Well, here I am. I've got this caught up today. Got this last little bit here worked out. A little problem on that corner right there. I had to make it work out so it will come out even. And I got the first wraparound cut board to go around the post. That will be transitioning into the bow, which will go all the way around there. And it's clouding up and temperature dropping and it's sprinkling a little bit, so I thought I'd better come on and put my stuff up. I gotta go get some gas before it goes up another 15 cents and take some trash to the dump. Then I started building a wheelchair ramp. I got that kind of roughed in. Got the platform set for the end down there, and then it's anchored up here. And then I got the steel hangers put on it. I got all the spacing blocks put in, and I found a few posts here. So I've got to put 2 more sets. I think maybe 3 more sets. I think I got to look at my engineering thing where I calculated the weight dispersal, and 3 sets of posts with a beam underneath of it, underneath the joist there. And then once I get that all closed up, I got the all the little shortcuts that came off of the long boards. I'm going to put them down there and use those up. And then I'm going to have to go back to the regular decking over here and get the decking finished here so I can use up the short pieces and find out what I'm going to end up with. And then whatever's left over, of course, go on the deck. But I've got to do a little more research before I put those boards down. These boards are hard plastic. And I'm going to tell you what, they're slick. They're slick even when they're dry. And when they get wet, they get even worse. So I've got to figure out whether those deck boards, these particular boards here, are going to work or not. They make a board, I think it's a different brand though, that has little grooves cut in it for traction that are made specifically for ramps. So what I might do is just use those boards up and just mix and match them wherever I end up, and then just use all these up, and then I'll just go see what I can do and find some to put down here to cover this up. But that ramp right there, I mean, there's a lot more work to go into that. That's just that's the easy part right there. The old bowed crooked boards. But by the time I put those blocks in there, there's 4 sets of blocks, so that'll go in there. And then there's 2 posts that go down here, and then there's a support beam that goes underneath of it. And then there'll be another one down there, and then another one down there. So it'll be good to go. And then when I get ready to pour my concrete pad for the sidewalk out here in front of the steps, and then the pad for the cookout shelter / carport, I'm going to take and just lift that end down there just enough that I can take and dig it out and pour concrete underneath of that down there for better support and make that more stable. Because if I don't, then I'm going to have to worry about, if we do get a hard freeze or something, maybe a little bit of frost heave. I mean, I don't think there's too much frost heave here in Virginia, not like it was in Maine. Maine, you get 6-inch frost heave sometime, but I don't think that's going to happen here. So I think we'll be good to go. I'll get it secure and get it nice and getting things ready. Since I won't be able to get back over here to the faucet anymore, I've got a remote that I ordered that goes on the top of that faucet right there and extends it up where you can reach it up here. And then I'm going to have a side valve that'll go over there. That's where the hose is going to hang, right over there, right there. And then I can get to it from over there and use it to water the bushes and put fires out and wash the truck and whatever else I need to do. It's coming along. Still junky, but it'll get set up. It'll get organized. If I had more help, I could have got a lot of this stuff done and been ready to go. But all I'm concerned with is getting this utility in here to finish marking everything. The power company came and marked their part, but of course the Slack phone company, they're going to wait right down to the last day on Friday before they come do theirs. And I'm hoping and praying, as much as I hate that particular phone company because they're so common and crooked, I'm hoping they don't actually show up, because I want to call the State Corporation Commission and file a complaint against them for not honoring that ticket. And that, among other things, tried to rip me off. So turnabout's fair play. And I got my scooters outside. I got the heavy weight out of that shed so I can move that shed when I rent the skid steer, but I can't rent the skid steer until I get the ticket completed on the Miss Utility, because if I dig something and damage something before the ticket's completed, then it's on me. So, of course, I don't have to do any super digging. I just got to dig down about 6 inches, but the way people are around here, you don't never know whether they did their job right or not. I mean, compared to that over there, where they hung the telephone line on the tree over there, I mean, I'm not thinking quality here when I see stupid stuff like that. I mean, that's just ridiculous. And if they're willing to do something like that, they're willing to do anything. So all my junk is out here all chained up and locked up and covered up. Looks like a big rummage sale is getting ready to happen. And of course, my supervisor's always ever present, watching me, making sure I stay productive. I thought I'd check in with you on this Wednesday afternoon. I think it's Wednesday. I don't think I've lost a day yet. And let y'all know that I'm still going. I'm trying my best. So hope y'all have a good rest of the day. Talk to you later. Bye.